I'm Barbara, one of the co-founders here at Ponga. We've built a better way to tell stories in pictures. This series focuses on getting the most out of Ponga. In this tip, we'll take a look at how you can put names to faces really quickly using nicknames. Let's start in the gallery. You've probably noticed that as you start naming people, a drop-down list appears of people you've already named. As soon as you enter enough keys to find someone you've already named, you can select it with a return. Just like in real life, nicknames and initials make it easy to distinguish people who share names. Let's try that name again where we were struggling to enter a name and there's just too many Loises in this group. So let's go down and change this one to add initials. LHP. Once we've got her in there with her initials, boom. It's super easy to go in and just enter her name when I type it by just typing LHP. The key to remember is to use names the way you do in a family. Everyone gets their own. Thanks so much for watching. We have more tips for you. Just take a look at the sites here and follow along. Can't wait to see you next.